Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm sharing with you guys me organizing my office bag or work backpack. So I used to use a backpack which is pink in color, but I'm going to be taking it for my trip, so I've put that for a wash, and for the meantime I'll be using this one. It's a old bag. I feel like it's been a year since I have this. I used to use this in my previous company, then I stopped using it, but now I think I need to go back to this. It's a pretty spacious bag. It's from this brand called ZOUK. You can find a lot of different colors in them in case you want to invest in it. It comes with a laptop compartment, so that's the best part about it, because I have to carry my laptop every day. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick organizing because I'm shifting things from my old backpack to this one. So first comes my laptop and charger. Of course, I'm going to be coiling up this charger. So this laptop is definitely provided by my company, and this charger is pretty old, so it's something that I cannot detach, so I'll just have to coil it around. Now this is basically me organizing my office bag and just transferring things from one bag to other. Like over the period of time there'll be so many more things that I'll add, so let me know if you want to see like a what's in my office bag video, because I feel like there's so much more that I can add in it. So after I've called up my charger, I am now going to be going ahead and putting the laptop in the laptop compartment. Trust me, the charger is so much clean now. It was so dirty earlier. I sat and cleaned that entire charger coil. It was very dirty. So the best part about this bag is that it comes with a laptop compartment and it's waterproof. So yeah, a win-win situation. And I'm gonna keep this charger. So usually a lot of people would keep it here, but it's not proper because it'll take up a lot of space. So what I do, I keep it at the very corner edge, so that way the bag is also upright, the bag also holds the position, and the charger is very easy to find. Now moving on to other things, pouches. Of course, if you know me, I organize things in pouches. So this one is my emergency kit. It has everything. Now I have added a lot of more things in my emergency kit. I'll just share a little glimpse of what all is there, but let me know if you want to see an updated emergency kit video. But I'll definitely link the current emergency kit video in the description in case you want to check it out. I've got some sunscreen, then this is a period cramp roll-on, some medicines, and everything else. So let me know if you want to see an updated emergency kit, but I'll definitely link this one in the description box below. It is something that I'll definitely carry with me everywhere that I go. You never know when you require any of these items. It's like such a lifesaver. So that goes on the side of my bag. Now coming to other different things that I have, so I'm just making space, and trust me, it's pretty spacious. You can fit in everything. This pouch, okay, so this is a pretty interesting one. I'll link all of these pouches below. Some of them are from MINISO. So this one is from MINISO. It's actually a coin pouch, but I use it for something else, so it's something that nobody would have even guessed. It is a coffee, tea, no tea, there's no tea because I don't drink tea, but it's got like coffee powder sachets, milk powder sachets, tomato ketchup, salt and pepper sachets. All of these sachets are something that I've taken from the hotel, or mostly I've got it like from food that I've ordered, like sugar sachets and all of that. And what I use it for, because of course a lot of people will ask, why do you carry it? So in my office, if you want to have coffee, they have a dabba with coffee powder, but I feel like this is much better. At least I'm taking my own coffee powder and milk in case I want to have that. So yeah, and the ketchup sachets, trust me, don't even last for a week. Like hafte mein ek baar to I have to use it. So it's a great way to carry your own coffee powder, or these small little confectionery items. It is going to be like really, really helpful, trust me. And it doesn't even take up that much of your space, and you can see how much I stuff it in. And it's a very useful hack in case you are looking for like better coffee at your office. Carry your own. Garam pani to easily you can find it in your office. So yeah, this is a little hack that I want to share with you guys, and it has really helped me. So this pouch will again go here, very easy to find. Next is my wallet. This is again from MINISO. This one is like what do you call, I mean necessity, importance, इसके बिना तो रह ही नहीं सकते. It's got my everything, identification, ID cards and license and driving license and all of that. So I usually keep it up, but I'm just gonna keep it right here. Once I pack everything, I'll keep it up. This is a amazing find. Okay, I'm actually gonna make like a video on Amazon finds, but you're lucky you're getting to see it early. This is a cutlery set. I got it for like 280 rupees or 300 rupees, I'm not sure. It comes with a spoon, a fork and chopsticks. And yeah, I'm learning how to eat with chopsticks. I've pretty much like understood how to eat. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, this is a cutlery set that I carry with me. So useful. So many times I forget my spoon, so very handy. Now comes some other additional items that I'll be adding on. So this bag, they've got this compartment in front where you can add like, you know, lipsticks or anything. Like, it's just small little pockets. So there I'll be adding my perfume. It's just a spray on perfume. This one is Warm Vanilla Sugar from Bath and Body Works. So I have like this body mist, and then I have a perfume in my emergency kit, so I'm pretty much sorted. Then there are some other miscellaneous items. This one is a face mist from this brand called Quench. Really essential. I mean, sometimes you get just so exhausted. Then this one is the Etude House Darling Tint. You guys know I love to wear tints, so I have to carry a tint. I think it's the only makeup item that I carry every day. Then comes my lip balm. I've got two. This one is the Clinique one, which is a very nice moisturizing lip balm, and this one is a lip oil from mCaffeine. It's a coffee one. I love coffee. I think at work anything caffeine related is a must. So yeah, I'm just putting it properly there, and you can see it easily fits everything. I'm just taking out my wallet because I didn't want it to clump around. So I'm taking this pen, again very essential. So like I said, I do carry a lot of different things apart from this, so I will share a what's in my bag video soon. Next is this Dell ka wireless mouse. Sometimes I require to use it, so yeah. This is office ka ID card, which I just keep it like this, so the lanyard is a little out and I can just pull it out in case I need it, though I don't need it every day. Then this is a very cute bottle that I got. I've already done a haul on this, so yeah, I'm carrying this bottle. I'll put it at the end. Then these are some snack on items. These are some smoked almonds, and this you get in the Indigo flight if I'm not wrong, so I just carry that. Sometimes bhook lag gayi though. So yeah, a mini good decent snack. And then these two phones. So I basically have three phones. This phone that I have is basically my work phone. It's not my phone, it's office ka phone. This one is my personal work phone, and the one that I'm filming with is my personal phone. So I basically have a lot of phones that I carry around, and I have to manage them. So I'm going to be starting off by keeping this water bottle, and a lot of you might feel like, how much will you fit in this bag? It just slides in, you can see, like you don't have to like make space for it. Then I'll add this khani ka dabba. Sometimes if I take my tiffin, I'll just add the tiffin on top, or I'll keep it in my boot or dicky, whatever you want to call. Then comes this wallet, which I'll just slide it down. It's easy to see. And then these phones will be just, you know, added in. So this completes my quick little organizing or transferring of my office supplies into my new bag. Not new bag technically. Let me know what are your office essentials in the comment section below. Maybe I will add them in my what's in my bag video soon. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.